Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start your session with a focused warm-up to improve safety and results. A proper warm-up raises heart rate and core temperature in 5 minutes. Gradually increasing intensity primes muscles, tendons, and joints for movement. This reduces injury risk and improves performance during your workout. Aim to reach 50 to 70% intensity before higher effort. Think of warming as insurance for consistent progress and fewer setbacks. Begin with 5 minutes of light cardio like brisk walking or cycling slowly. Continue with dynamic movements to activate movement patterns and blood flow. Do 8 to 12 reps of leg swings, arm circles, and walking lunges each side. Include 30 seconds of hip openers and shoulder mobility drills before any lifting. Finish with movement-specific practice at lighter loads to rehearse technique. These steps prime your nervous system for safer and stronger effort. Finish with a short cool down to help recovery and flexibility after training. Cool down for 3 to 5 minutes with light cardio to normalize your heart rate. Follow with static stretches held 30 to 60 seconds for tight calves, quads, and hips. Use foam rolling for 1 to 2 minutes per area to reduce soreness and improve mobility. Hydrate and breathe deeply during this time to assist circulation and mental reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.